mattress in half.
Lemur, what are you going to do with that?
I don't know.
Well, then what are you going to do?
I might throw it at someone.
Who are you going to throw it at?
Oh, I just found out!
This will explode in 5 seconds. Lemur, what did you do this time to Giraffe?
I think I blew her up.
It's at him.
I don't care.
Well, isn't this like your 5th time this week doing that?
Well, kinda. Hey, what are you doing? That's my girl.
Oh.
Sorry. I was just talking to her.
What were you talking about?
Well, I kind of blew up the rat.
Isn't that like your 10th time this week?
I don't care, okay?
So, why were you talking to her?
Because I blew up the rat.
It's okay, boys. You don't have to fight over me. I can go around everywhere.
Oh, you be quiet, little sassy pants.
Oh, really? Then I'm breaking up with you.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Oh, so you're just gonna cheat on me with that stinking little lemur with the big eyes and the colorful tail.
At least he's more colorful than you are. You're just black and orange.
Well, my designs are the most popular in the world.
And bye-bye, baby.
Oh, and a bye-bye to you, baby. And hello, my new boyfriend.
And that's the end.